Alright, YouTube, TikTok, it's Zinn's Mowers, and I got a good one. Just did a motor swap on this PowerSmart push mower. Here's this crappy locked up Chinese motor I took off of here. Then I switched it out with this Briggs & Stratton 4.5 horse engine. This mower is no longer self-propelled, but nonetheless it is a beast. And right now we're going to go out here and clean up some of these leaves. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just give this thing a prime. 3 or 4 pumps, tail handle. Just going to do a small section for demonstration. Thing is cleaning up like a beast, I'm telling you. Leaving nice lines. Bat sucking up all them leaves. Gonna do a couple more passes. Right, y'all, there's a night and day comparison. This build was a great build. Hope you guys enjoyed. If y'all got one of these PowerSmart mowers and the motor craps out, just throw a Briggs on it and keep going. But anyway, I thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.